I'm so proud of myself. It's the first time I'm buying clothes online. Usually I don't buy clothes online because I don't want to have the problem of have to be sending back and can't get back my money and stuff like that. What is this again? I don't know what is again. So this is what I did right now.
Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, today I have another TEMU haul. So I have 2 packages here. I'm gonna start with this one. I don't remember everything that I bought, but I know that I bought some dresses for work on Monday. So I'm gonna do that unboxing with you all today. Alright, so these are my dresses from TEMU. I'm so scared because I've never bought a dress online before. So this is going to be the first. Oh, my kids are in the background. I don't know if they're going to fit me or what. But I did put in the measurement that I measured. I had a tape measure. And I used it and I measured it. Measured myself. So hopefully these are the sizes that I want. Okay, and this comes with a belt. I'm just gonna put it on over this dress and see. Oh, it's very nice. I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I like it. I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad, and the length is not. It's not bad. I like it, guys. I like this. I have no clue what this one is. I'm trying to move a bit fast. I only have 18 minutes of storage on my phone. So these are the mess jackets that I bought, or the mess blazers or whatever. So when I'm going to church or something, I need something to cover up. This is very nice. I like the fabric. It's very nice. It feels like you have to be careful with it. Don't stretch it, don't pull it. Just take your time with it. But it does fit. And I did get mine in a medium. Yes, I bought a black one also. Bought mine in a medium. So it's like a mesh jacket. Yeah. Yes. So all of them is the same size. That black one there, that blue one, same size. Now this is another dress that I bought. It's similar to the other one that I just put on, but them at the same size. I'm so proud of myself. It's the first time I'm buying clothes online. Usually I don't buy clothes online because I don't want to have the problem of have to be sending back and can't get back my money and stuff like that. What is this again? I don't know what is again. I don't know what is. Oh, and I bought a white one for my church clothes and stuff. I am for work. Yeah. What is this? This is a fat burner cream for my stomach. It looks a bit bigger on the website. Cream. So my hands are very small and it can fit in the palm of my hand, so you can know how small it is. Like that. Find that right now. We're gonna find out. This one is a bit different from the other two because it's a different buyer bought this from. Oh, but it's almost the same thing. So it's nice. It's not just a simple sleeve dress, and the quality of the material is very good. I like it. The quality of the material is extremely good. What is this one? Yes. And this is the black one. The sleeve. almost the same thing. I don't remember how this blue one looks. Wow, it's very heavy. It's very heavy. I don't know if that's... okay. Alright. Alright, so I would have to try on this one because this blue one is different from the other two. Oh my God. So nice. So nice. And this was the peach one for the jackets. Oh my, that's so nice. So I got different scents nice for my art. You guys that know that I love art products. I love art. Stuff like that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cents knives. Oh, and this is a sweat. This is a sweat burner. Rosy. Rosy. It's like the wash. This has to be washed before it's worn. This is I think this is a medium. Yeah, this is a medium. So I'm gonna try and get back fit. I saw the little. So I bought some mics to put on my clothes or when I'm interviewing somebody. Yeah, I'm going to step up my channel, guys. So slowly but surely. So these are the mics. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is our hip trainer thingy. Hip resistance band. I don't have to take this out. I bought 3 of these the last time, but it was plastic. It was not working too well. You know what? Let me try. So I bought the cloth one. So from the cloth one, it's a bit more. Oh yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Stronger. It's stronger. It's stronger. It's stronger. And I bought a belly band sweat thing. I'm sure you have seen this all over social media. Sweet sweats. Oh my God, I'm getting something. I'm gonna get something. Alright, what is this? Oh, yes. So I bought these to put on my dress. So this is what I did right now. So I have this now that can hold the dress. So doing it like that. White probably match it more than the black. So I can buy any dress I want now, knowing that I have this thing that can adjust it. It's gonna be a lifesaver because this is how the dress is, and when you use that thing here, it's gonna hold the dress like that. What was this again? Oh, some lip up thing. I don't know what they call it. It comes with like a certificate in it. Oh, sit here. This is how it should set up. I think I should say that. There's a piece of it just saying on the table. So this is how it should be. Yes, I don't want to set it up as yet because I need to sort out some other things in my house before I do the setting up. Yeah, but that is that for that. So that is the first package from TEMU. Everything is perfect so far, but the real test is when I try it on, or when I wear it, or when I use the product. Then you will see how, how good it is, the best quality, etc. So I'm going to do another video with this one here, because I'm about to run out of storage on this phone right now. So I will see you guys in the next one.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.